The bar chart details drinking habits in 5 Australian cities relating to coffee and tea over the last 4 weeks. Overall, more than half population in all cities except Adelaide went to a cafe for coffee or tea, while buying instant coffee was also popular and buying fresh coffee was um, generally less common. Starting with going to cafes, it was most characteristic of Melbourne and Hobart at 64% and 63% respectively. Sydney was comparably high at just over 60%, followed by Brisbane at over 55%, and finally Adelaide at under 50%. In particular, Adelaide was the only city where people bought more instant coffee by a slight margin. In Hobart, instant coffee purchases stood at 54%, ahead of Brisbane at 52%, Melbourne at 48%, and lastly Sydney at just over 45%. Uh, Purchasing on fresh coffee was below 45% for all cities. It was most common in Sydney, 44%, and Melbourne, 42%. Hobart was next at 38%, and Adelaide and Brisbane were much lower and nearly level at around 34%.